Come and see what Bernie sees. Bernie sees. Bernie sees. Come and see what Bernie sees. Bernie is DC.
Hi there, I'm Bernie. Come on over and chat a bit on the cyber back porch. If you don't mind, I'll take a little bit of sweet tea. Nothing like good old Swiss sweet tea. Today I'd like to talk to you about encouragement. Yeah, what do we mean by encouragement? Well, in the old days, encouragement meant just that. Encouraging people to go on, to get a bit further on in life, sometimes when you were down, to help that person get a bit of an upper, like this really good glass of sweet tea. Well, let me tell you, encouragement. Encouragement is something that each and every one of us can do. It's like having this glass half full, when sometimes the person in front of you is seeing it half empty. Encouragement also can mean going over to that person who might happen to need you. And you know something? Encouragement also means when you need someone, try and go find someone. You're going to have to excuse me 2 seconds. I'm going to have to encourage my Mr. Dago and have him come in. Just wait 2 seconds. Okay, come on in. Well, as someone else who is a big encourager would say, I'm back. Now, when you want to encourage someone, does it mean that you have to go and tell them what to do? Does it mean that you have to always be right and always have the right answer? Actually, no. But it very often means being a person who listens. Being a person who's ready to put your arm around the other one. Being a person who might have words of wisdom, that does help. Does even help a lot. But sometimes being an encourager just means being there. Being there, maybe pointing in the right direction. Being an encourager doesn't mean being Mr. and Mrs. Know-It-All. Being an encourager very often means loving. Sometimes means tough loving. Being an encourager, though, almost always means being there. Being there. Seeing in the person something maybe that the person doesn't see. Seeing with the eyes of the soul sometimes. Yeah. Sometimes everybody is ready to say to you, you can't. Being an encourager is not maybe saying you can, but it is saying maybe you can try. There's a lot to being an encourager. There's a lot to being a friend. Part of this video is going to be dedicated to BillCtv. He was because we're talking of Vince Bass, a good encourager, a good friend, is because we're talking in present tense, and will be, I suppose, a good encourager and a good friend. Sending off love, sending off all the best. A lot of people are hoping that you'll be back, but everybody is encouraging you wherever you are. So, you'll be blessed. A smiling face makes the world a better place. And actually, so does this cup of Swiss sweet tea. So what happens? Bernie, see TV? No, there's only one. Bernie is DC. Signing off. Bye-bye. And take care, all of you. And especially you out there, Billy. Bye-bye.
Come and see what Bernie sees. Bernie sees. Bernie sees. Come and see what Bernie sees. Bernie is DC.